I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today I'm teaching you how to automate your sales flow using a Kajabi pipeline. Let's start with the basics. What is a pipeline in Kajabi? A pipeline is just Kajabi's word for a pre-built flow that moves someone through your business automatically. Instead of you manually emailing them, sending links, following up, the pipeline does it for you. Think of it like a map. Someone signs up for your freebie, step 1. They get a thank you page, step 2. Then they start receiving automated emails that guide them toward your paid offers, step 3. Everything happens automatically once they take the first step. Now, what is an opt-in page? An opt-in page is a simple page where you offer something valuable for free, like a guide, a checklist, a free training, and in exchange, people give you their name and email address. You're offering value first. They're opting in to hear from you. After they opt in, they land on a thank you page. A thank you page is exactly what it sounds like. A page that thanks them for signing up. You can also use it to give next steps. Download the freebie, check their inbox, see your paid offer. The email sequence is what happens after they sign up. An email sequence is a series of pre-written emails that go out automatically. You set when each email goes out. For example, Day 1, here's your freebie. Day 2, here's my story. Day 4, here's my paid offer you'll love. This builds trust and invites people to move deeper into your world. Now that you know what a pipeline is, here's how you set one up. Step 1, from your dashboard, click Pipelines. Step 2, click New Pipeline. Kajabi will give you templates. If you're starting simple, choose Freebie Pipeline or Sales Page Pipeline. Step 3, Kajabi will automatically create an opt-in page where people sign up, a thank you page where they land after signing up, an email sequence that sends emails over time. Step 4, edit your opt-in page. Make it clear what people are getting and why they should sign up. Example, get my free Instagram story scripts. Step 5, edit your thank you page. Keep it simple. Thanks for signing up. Check your inbox for your free download. Step 6, write your email sequence. Focus your emails on delivering value, building connection, leading them to your paid offer. Step 7, once your pages and emails are set up, turn the pipeline on. Now, when someone opts in, everything happens without you lifting a finger. They get their freebie, get nurtured by your emails, and are invited to buy, all while you focus on building your brand. This is how you automate smart, not work harder. An email sequence that sends emails over time. Step 4, edit your opt-in page. Make it clear what people are getting and why they should sign up. Example, get my free Instagram story scripts. Step 5, edit your thank you page. Keep it simple. Thanks for signing up. Check your inbox for your free download. Step 6, write your email sequence. Focus your emails on delivering value, building connection, leading them to your paid offer. Step 7, once your pages and emails are set up, turn the pipeline on. Now, when someone opts in, everything happens without you lifting a finger. They get their freebie, get nurtured by your emails, and are invited to buy, all while you focus on building your brand. This is how you automate smart, not work harder. How to set up a Kajabi product. Real teaching, full breakdown, clean, powerful, beginner-proof. Hi, Queens. Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, 7X published author, and today I'm going to teach you how to set up your first product inside Kajabi. First, let's break it down. What is a product in Kajabi? A product is something you sell or deliver digitally. It could be a course, membership, coaching program, digital download, masterclass, bundle of templates, any type of digital offer you want people to buy and access online. Kajabi calls everything you sell a product, even if it's a coaching package or an ebook. Now, inside a product, Kajabi uses two basic pieces. Modules, think chapters or sections. Lessons, think videos, downloads, activities inside each module. A module is like a folder. A lesson is the actual content inside that folder. Here's how you set it up. Step 1, log into your Kajabi dashboard. Click Products in the left-hand menu. Then click New Product. Step 2. Kajabi will give you a few options. Pick what matches your offer best. Mini course, short product, a few lessons. Online course, full course with multiple modules. Coaching program, one-on-one or group coaching sessions. Membership, ongoing access, paid monthly or yearly. If you're just starting, mini course is a great choice because it's simple and quick to set up. Step 3. Give your product a name. Pick something clear and exciting. Example, launch your first digital offer, or Instagram growth blueprint. Step 4. Build out your structure. Kajabi will give you a starting layout with one module and one lesson. Click into the module. Name it something simple like Start Here or Week 1. Inside the module, create lessons. Add a video, upload your recording. Add a download, like a checklist, workbook, or PDF. Add text if you want written instructions or notes. You can upload video files directly or link YouTube or Vimeo videos if you host them somewhere else. Step 5. Set your pricing. Click into your product settings and set your offer. You can charge one-time payment, payment plan, split into 2 to 3 payments, monthly or annual subscription, good for memberships. Kajabi will walk you through connecting the product to a checkout page, so when someone pays, they get instant access. Step 6. Publish it. Once everything looks good, content loaded, pricing set, hit publish. Your product is now live and ready to sell. They feel valued, they feel proud, and they naturally invite others into that ecosystem. And lastly, build a brand that feels like a movement, not just a product. People love to share movements. They love to say, I'm part of this. If your brand makes them feel like they're part of something bigger, they'll bring others with them because it deepens their own identity and investment. Final tip, you don't have to chase referrals when you create experiences, results, and relationships so powerful that your clients want to bring others into it. Build something worth talking about, and your name will spread faster and further than any ad ever could.